How to see YouTube search history. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to see the YouTube search history, first of all launch the YouTube application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now one of the major ways is to tap on the search bar at the top right, and here you'll be able to see all your search history. But this will give you the search history of the recent times only. Now if you want to see the YouTube search history for, let's say, about like 6 months ago, what you can simply do is tap on your profile at the bottom right and then select on the gear icon. Here scroll down and tap on the option of your data in YouTube. As you tap on that, it will land us to a new page where you can just scroll down, and here you can see the option of YouTube search history. So under that you can see the option of manage your YouTube search history, so tap on it. As you do that, you'll be able to see all the searches that you have done over a period of time. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.